8th class student, exercise 13A, time and work. Question number is 14. 14 question is A, pipe A and B fill the empty tank in. So you write the time taken by tap A to fill the tank is equal to 10 hours. Work done by tap A in 1 hour is equal to 1/10. Add, we find it B, time taken by tap B to fill the tank in B fill the tank in 15 hours. Work done by tap B in 1 hour is equal to 1/15. Work done by A and B in 1 hour. 1 hour work will be both 1/10 plus 1/15. Take the LCM, divide by 10 and 15 each. After plus 5/30, 5 1 जा 5, 5 6 जा 30, 1/6. Time taken by A and B to fill the tank in reciprocal of the A and B. 6 hours both together fill the tank. A and B fill the tank in 6 hours. 14 question is complete. Question number 15. 15 is A and B. Question 15 is A tank. Tape A fill the tank in 5 hours. 1 hour work will be 1/5. B while B is empty. B tape is empty the full tank in 6 hours. 1 hour will be 1/6. Work done by A and B. 1/5 minus 1/6. 1/5 is fill the tank and 1/6 is empty the tank. To take the LCM is 30. Divide by 5 and 6. 5 1/30. Time taken by A and B in 30 hours. Question number 15 is complete. Question second. Question is 16. 16 question is A, B and C. Only change is no change the A, B and C. This time A, B and C. A take the time is 6 hours. 1 hour work will be 1/6. B is 8 hours. 1/8 hours. Fill the tank. As C, time taken by tape C, to fill the tank is equal to 12 hours. Work done by C in 1 hour. Work is equal to 1/12. Work done by A and B and C in 1 hour work is equal to 1/8 plus 1/12 and 1/6. Take the LCM is 24. 6 4 जा 8 3 जा and 12 2 जा 9/24. 3 3 जा 9 3 8 जा 3/8. Time taken by A and B and C to fill the tank is equal to reciprocal of the 1 hour. 8/3 hours. You write the 2 hours and 2 into 60/3. 2 all 2/3 hours upon 3. 3 2 जा 6. 2 2 जा 40. 2 hours and 22 जा 40 minutes. Questions 16 is complete. Thank you.